Born ka ba in the year of the dragon? 2026 ay power reset para sa mga dragons. Hindi ito tungkol sa pagpapakitang gilas, kundi all about quiet authority. Parang phoenix mode ka, tahimik sa umpisa, pero pag gumalaw ka na, ramdam ng lahat. This is the year na dapat itigil mo na ang padhaabol sa validation and start embodying it. What to watch out for? Overconfidence. Dahil malakas ang aura mo this year, pwede kang ma-misunderstand as intimidating or unreachable. Ingat din sa impulsive decisions, especially sa career at finances. Hindi lahat ng opportunity ay blessing. May iba na distraction lang. Mas importante, maging mapili, huwag kang grab ng grab.
Career and money, ngayon dapat mag-focus sa strategic expansion. Iwasan na mahulog sa rota ng hustle. Masuubra ang tamang positioning kaysa pagod. High chance of promotion sa leadership role or being the face of a project. Branding, teaching, consulting, management, creatives. Money grows through networks. A connection you make this year becomes a long-term income stream. Love and relationships. Dragons in 2026 ay naga-attract ng fated connections, hindi casual hookup. Iwasan ang mga half-hearted o mga situationship connections na walang kahahantungan. Singles pwedeng makakilala through work, learning, or spiritual spaces. Avoid emotional power games. Mas tinatry mo kontrolin ang situation, mas likely na mafa-attract ka ng ka-negative energy. Health and energy. Your vitality is strong, but may test ang iyong nervous system. Watch for stress-related issues, insomnia, headaches, digestion. Dapat pag-ingatan, emotional overload. Lucky colors, emerald green, gold, konting red for strategic events lang. Lucky direction, southeast for wealth, south for fame. Lucky months, March, June, September, November. Challenging months, April, August. Mga dragon friends, kung gusto mo na mas intensive, mas complete personal astrology guide para sa 2026, DM Nonato, Master Hans Kua, the Philippines' most trusted Feng Shui expert, para matulungan ko kayo.